two F3 Limited, two top cases, the same ones that you have on RT20 Plus, and one that's doing this, another one is doing rather this or this. Cool, right? So of course I'm Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger. Tuesday show video, we will install very quickly a top case shock that should be there from the beginning. Now guys, enough of this. First 500 views, no video it. And of course, in case you want one, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Now let's get started. The installation is super easy, 3 minutes. T20, flat screwdriver, whatever size, and Allen 5. That's all you need. First, remove these two bolts. They hold the passenger back seat, and this is of course organizer. It's not in our way. In case you don't have it, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, of course. Now slide the backrest out. It's quite simple. Take the flat screwdriver and actually get underneath of this clip. It's a metal clip. You will not need it. You can also destroy it. It's up to you. Good. Now push this out. Don't worry about anything. So remove it from this ball joint. All right. Open it up so you can get to this Allen 5 screw. Unscrew it. Now be careful, because once you remove the shock, the top case can fall down on your bike and you can damage it. So just make sure you hold it. Now take the aftermarket shock that you have from my shop and put it back. Now make it nice and tight, but do not over tight it. Now put it down a little and snap it back to the ball joint. Unfortunately, it already happened by itself, but you just have to push it. You don't have to remove this steel part, the clip. So just push it back, and there you go. And one is doing this. Another one is doing rather this or this. So how good is the upgrade? I mean, you tell me. Well, in case you want one, as you know, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. In case you would like to do tours with me, tourson3.com, and continue watching my vlog on MartinTheVlogger.com, because we are throwing a lot of upgrades on that bike and also on this one. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, always have fun.